So looking at this current Bitcoin price action, we can see, guys, the price of Bitcoin right now is flashing us a very interesting scenario. A scenario which is pointing us where the price in the medium short term, where the price for the coming days might be possibly heading. So please, before I jump into it, let's destroy that like button and let's try to reach at least 1,000 like in this video. Thank you very much. Now, first thing first, what I want you guys to monitor is this right angle broadening top pattern or ascending broadening wedge pattern. According to this bearish continuation pattern, Bitcoin right now is testing one very important resistance line. The line which previously held us, you can see here, the line which previously acted as a support now is being tested, but this time it will be looked as a resistance. And on my previous video, I have been very clear with you guys. Unless Bitcoin breaks out of 112,500 to 113,000 resistance line, any sort of a rally could be turning into a fake out. Despite this bullish breakout, it could still fake out and price after that could follow this bearish continuation pattern. Why? Because we know Bitcoin, to invalidate this bearish continuation, it has to come across certain resistance area. I mean, right now, according to this Williams Alligator indicator, RSI, MACD, you can see things are turning very interesting. I mean, Bitcoin here is facing resistance from this Williams Alligator indicator, and I've been very clear with you guys. This Williams Alligator indicator acts as support during uptrend. You can see acts as a support during uptrend and resistance during downtrend. In our case, this is a bearish Williams Alligator indicator crossover. I mean, blue line appearing at the top, green line at the bottom happens during downtrend, and green line at the top, blue line at the bottom happens during uptrend. So this is a bearish cross. Blue line is at the top, green line at the bottom. So what does this mean? Even this Williams Alligator indicator for now will be looked as a resistance. So to invalidate another bearish continuation which might look somehow like this, what must we do? We must come across this trend line, and this trend line will be in between 112,500 to 113,500 range. But if you look to the downside, RSI after heading towards the oversold area is slowly recovering, and MACD looks like about to soar crossover just like here. And we know bullish MACD cross in the past price action has resulted in some very nice moves, so bullish moves. So same thing could be unfolding here as well. But for that, what must we do? We must flip this resistance into proper support. And why is this resistance around 112,500 to 113,500 rate so important? Because that is the central CPR lines. I mean, top, central, and the bottom CPR lines for the month of October sits in between that range. So to invalidate a bearish continuation like this, we must flip this into support. Yes, guys, if we flip this 112,500 to 113,500 into proper support before ending the month of October, then we could see another bullish continuation. Bitcoin heading towards the previous high and also making a new all-time high. But for this bullish continuation also to play out, we must come across this CPR trendline before ending the month of October. Otherwise, you can see what could be happening here. After a relief rally, price failing to break out of the CPR trendline means a continuation of an downtrend. Parallelly, this Bollinger Band, the center line, will be acting as additional support for Bitcoin. I mean, this center line will be acting as additional support, and price after some small relief rally failing to flip 112,500 to 113,500, resulting in a bearish continuation. So to avoid a move which in a bigger picture could bring the price of Bitcoin around this 50 exponential moving average before starting with the new bullish continuation, a move which could bring us around 1.618 Fibonacci line, just like what happened here in the past price action according to this 2P sale pattern. Even according to this rising wedge, a bearish continuation which might look somehow like this, Bitcoin heading towards 100,000, even lower price target. To avoid this kind of bearish continuation, what must we do? We must flip this resistance into proper support, resistance from this right angle broadening top pattern, ascending broadening wedge pattern, the lower trend line, Williams alligator indicator resistance, sepia indicator resistance, resistance from this Bollinger Band, the center line or the basis line. If we could do that, then despite Bitcoin forming a bearish continuation in a weekly time frame, these are going to get invalidated. Yes, guys, these are going to get invalidated, and price, despite forming a bearish continuation pattern, could show a continuation like this, a blow off top type of formation, and only after that a reversal, which might look somehow like this. Yes, guys, if Bitcoin finds support above the central CPI line above 112,500 to 113,500 before ending the month of October, I am actually expecting a blow off top type of formation to play out. Bitcoin making a new all-time high and hitting much higher price target. I mean, for the month of November, December, we will be expecting a bullish continuation. So for all this bullish continuation to play out and also this bearish continuation to get invalidated before ending the month of October, we need the price of Bitcoin above it. So please, guys, please be careful and do not over leverage yourself. Wait until certain line of support or resistance get broken before jumping into any trade as well, because you know, market for the upcoming days is expected to be even more volatile, even more crazier. So I want you guys to trade responsibly. So these were some of the quick updates that I wanted to share with you in this video. If you enjoyed my work, then please do not hesitate to destroy that like button, and to those individuals watching this for the first time, to hit that subscribe button. And also a quick reminder, if you haven't claimed this $30,050 welcome rewards from Bybit, then definitely check the video description, because these events are temporary. And if you are an experienced trader who want to take advantage of this market volatility and trade with free money, then the time to act is now. And by saying this, I'm signing out. Until next time, bye bye.